Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to take a look at a Halo AC/DC adapter. It's pretty much powers up. It's a power bank. That's pretty much what it does, and it does a lot of great things. We're going to take a look at it and we're going to test it out, see what it can do, and see what you get when you purchase like this. So, I actually used this for an emergency once. My car battery died completely. We're stuck in the middle of nowhere, so I ended up using this. I had it in the back. Didn't think about it until 15 minutes later. I thought about it, I got it, and I put in the plugs in there, had maybe 2 bars on it, and it cranked up my car. We were set to go. So great lifesaver if you ever want it. It lasts a long time for anything. Like I said, it works for phones, tablets, gaming, and cameras, and even portable switches if you're going to play in the portable adapters and portable monitors like we're going to take a look at it here. So let's go ahead and stick around and see what you get when you purchase something like this. Alright, so let's start taking a look at it. So the Power Halo is really heavy. It's about almost a pound. They give you the instructions in here, but we don't actually need them. We're going to actually go through them because we already done this already. And we're going to take a look at it. But for other countries, please look at the manual because it does have adapters that you have to purchase. This does not come for international. It's only for local. So we're going to go ahead and put local United States. That's pretty much what I meant. So we're going to take a look at it on the side panel here. Now, this is very simple to do. Now, first of all, there's the actual car charger here. This is to actually give you a jump start to your car, which is a great item to have as a backup as an emergency. I actually had to use it when I had 2 bars on it. It cranked up on the first time. Had no issues, but the multiple times you use it, you're gonna drain this, so you want to make sure you keep charging this stuff. Now here it is. So there is an actual safety safety panel here that you have to open it up, and this is where you actually plug in. And I'm going to take a look at those cables right now in a bit. Once you plug them in, you just turn it on and it's ready to charge. Now this indicates that it's ready to get that plug connection to actually give a charge power, right? So we're going to turn it off. Now on here, there's 2 5 voltage. This is pretty much a standard for iPhones and Androids to charge. You plug them in here, and the same thing. In order to activate it, you have to push the power up button, and then when you do that, you have your indicator here, how much power you have. Right now, currently you have 2 power cells, so not bad. All right, here it is, the actual input where you actually have to charge the stuff, and we're going to talk a little bit more about it. Now, on the side of it, let me turn it off. On the side of it, it's another great option. This is a regular plug that you have. This will actually charge your laptop in here and other items too, so it's not a bad thing. Not too much voltage in here, of course. You have to make sure this is a 65 watts, so make sure that you're aware of it. Now, in order to activate it, you have to do the same thing. You have to push the button, and once it indicates the lights on, the actual the search starts actually transferring the power. So not bad. After it starts blinking, it's ready to go. Now let's continue on. They give you a little bag in here, and this little bag has a lot of great items. So let's take them all out first of all and talk about everything. Put the bag on the side. So this is the actual adapter that you need to power your car. Simple, red and black, the same thing in your battery. Just check your manual in order to do that. If you have a dirty battery, you got to make sure you clean it up before you do that, or you don't want to put it in the wrong place. Now the adapter's simple. There's only one way you can plug it in, and of course, once you open the latch here, you can plug it in. Simple, one way only. There's no other. You can't mess up this because this adapter is only made for that entry. Okay, so that's only one way. And of course, once you plug it in, you have to power it up, and that's indicating that it's powering up. When it starts blinking, it's ready to go, and that's where you actually have to start your car, right? So make sure you're aware of that first. Right now, it's indicating there's nothing plug in. There's nothing to charge, nothing to give the power. So you have, once it gets solid, you could crank your car up and it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and turn it off. This great adapter to have as a backup as emergency. Love it all around. Now, another great thing about it on the other side that I forgot to mention, that this thing has an LED light. So it's a search light. It's a pretty, not that many lumens, but it's enough to actually look for your car keys under your bed, under your car, go look for something you lost at night. This is a great adapter. This is a plus. And then you know exactly how much power you have because of the indication of an actual the actual bars right here. So right now I have 2 bars, and I am going to put a little description how much voltage it could use and how many hours it could actually use on certain items. Okay, this is a great item. This is the actual car adapter to charge the system, so you could recycle power there while you're on the road. It could be charging your actual adapter. It has a fuse in here, of course, you know, so in case there's some sort of surge or any kind of connection failure, there's actually an actual fuse in here. So it's not a bad idea to have this. This is a car adapter, which is to power this part, and it goes on the input. There's only one area you can plug it in. Now they give you the extra, which is the home adapter, and this could be plugged in anywhere pretty much to power this thing on. If you're going to go in a hotel or something, you take this down and you leave the other one in your car. It could be up to you. Now they do give you a USB, and this is a micro USB to USB, which is an extra item. Now these days a lot of things are coming with type C, so it's gonna be obsolete in a couple of years, but not a bad idea. A free adapter too, just to plug in. And there is no micro USB anywhere, if you guys can see. It's only it's pretty much only type 2. Now this is a great item to have as an emergency kit. I would prefer getting something a little slimmer, but this is great enough, because it's versatile. You can use it for multiple things, and at the same time it's very simple to use. You turn on every single button for any item that you're going to start charging and powering up. The light is a big plus. I like that adapter, and it's very simple to have. So this is a must-have in your car for emergencies. And not only that, you could take you put it on your purse, on your bag, on your pocket, and start charging things up. Now putting it in your pocket is a little bit big, but it's not a bad idea to carry around and charge people. You go charge up to 2 phones at the same time, and it works very well. So if you have, and the only thing I don't like is that you leave your fingerprints and all that stuff, but other than that, it's a great item to have. If you have any questions or any comments, I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.